Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Mutiara Merenita. So today I'm gonna show you one of my lovely friend Miriam's, because you know she loves beach, she loves hiking, she loves nature and all those things. I just wanna share to you and show to you that what's the inside of her bag if she's going to the beach, especially now. As you can see here, I'm at the Bulai beach, which is very beautiful view as my background. I really feel blessed to live in Australia, because we're very close to the beach and we're very close to nature, and so yeah, it's gonna be excited to see what inside her bag. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna right back to you soon. Alright, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back again with me Mutiara. So before I show to you what inside her Miriam, her name is Miriam's bag if she's going to the beach, I'm gonna introduce you with Miriam.
Hi guys, how are you?
I'm good, looking gorgeous, beautiful day.
Yeah, it is a beautiful day. We are lucky to be in Bulai Beach.
Yay.
So we had a nice breakfast, and now we are enjoying of the view and having a relaxed time.
Right, yes. So I'm just curious, because you love beach, right? You love beach, and then you always well prepared if you're going to the beach. May I know what's inside your bag, Miriam? Can you show to us and share to my viewers? Okay guys, I'm gonna turn around the camera. Here you go. Alright, so let's start from the outside. Look at the beautiful dress what you're wearing today.
Thank you.
It's very suit on you with the beautiful beach color as a background. Is that normally you wearing the dress like this, jumpsuit or hot pants, or tell me?
It depends.
Yeah.
It depends on my mood. So
Okay.
sometimes yes, I wearing a shorts,
Right.
shirts, a t-shirt,
Yeah.
that's it. But
Yeah.
today
Yeah.
I feel, I don't know. I
don't know.
feel to get some dress on.
Right.
So I'm going to meet with my beautiful friend and having a nice breakfast in a nice
True.
cafe. So I said,
Right. Oh.
he's putting a nice dress.
Wow. Alright, so with the glasses, with the hat, is such a perfect style for you today, yeah?
Yeah, it's a good match.
Yeah, it's a good match. Alright, let's see what's inside your bag now,
So
darling.
this is a very fast bag.
Okay.
I didn't have time to pack more things.
Yeah.
But what I got today is, of course, my tongs, sandals.
Your thongs, okay.
Because they're going to get wet.
Yep.
This,
Ooh, it's quite plenty though.
a book.
Oh, you love reading book.
When you're in the beach, it's a relaxed time and
Yes.
nice view, the sounds of the waves.
Right.
So it's a beautiful spot to start reading. Or
Wow.
focusing reading. And now I'm trying to reading Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Yes, and the Cursed Child, which
Yeah.
is talking about Harry Potter's son.
Right.
It's very good.
Wow, that's a good book.
Yeah.
J.K. Rowling, and it's quite
Yeah.
famous and popular in that era.
What else is in my bag? The goggles.
Oh,
You know, just in case I'm
that's so
jumping into the
cutie!
water. So
Yay! Look at the bird watching you.
Do you want to try the goggles?
No. Just step away from her. Step away from the bird, darling. Okay. What else? Oh,
My beach towel.
Your beach towel.
My beach
Nice.
towel. Now, after to get a splash,
You have to dry.
you need to get dry.
You
so
gotta dry
my beach
your body from the wet of the beach water.
important.
Very important. The sunscreen.
I
Wow.
got in this
See, you so
occasion
well
too.
prepared. Yeah.
One for my face.
Your
You
face.
know, it's good to take care of your face, especially my age.
Yeah,
So there
your
are
age.
many
Okay, come
spots
on.
in my face.
True.
So that's perfect for your
Perfect.
face.
Okay.
And this is a simple one. So
Simple one.
yeah,
Okay.
that's just for my body.
Your body. It's very easy Because it is a spray, not lotion.
Oh yes.
And it's very handy, yeah. You just grab from Woolies, okay?
Yeah,
That's perfect.
What else?
What else?
I have my sarong.
Sarong, yeah, look at the color. Is that your favorite color, purple, right?
Yes.
That's beautiful. That's
my
really
sarong
cool.
when I go
It's
into
flowery,
the
yeah.
sun and lying in the sun.
Right.
So that's my sarong. What else?
Oh,
I
nice.
have an extra t-shirt.
Extra t-shirt.
Just in case I get wet.
Yes. Okay. I definitely to say you are the beach girl.
I wasn't sure what they're going to wear. If my
Okay. One piece or
clothes
bikini.
or bikini. Anyway.
Okay.
So just because I was in a hurry when I left home.
Yep.
So I took both of them.
Took both of them just in case if you decide, oh, okay, probably one piece should be fine now rather than two pieces.
Nowadays we need to be in contact with everyone. So
Yeah.
mobile phone always is.
Mobile phones very important, guys, of course, to sign in and out.
Exactly. And you know, because
Just
it's
chasing
COVID,
people as well, the COVID, yes.
we need to sign in everywhere where we're going. Just to let everyone knows if you've been there or not. It's for safety reasons.
Yeah.
And because it's COVID. Ta-da!
Yeah, the
Don't forget your
mask.
mask, please. Social
I like the
distance,
motifs
and
of
your
the mask. Yes, yes.
It's something that it wasn't in my bag before.
Yeah.
But now it's normal.
It's normal.
It's part of our daily life.
Yes.
So, guys, always have a mask.
True.
That's it. That's
it.
related with the beach.
Beach. And that's it, and it's empty? You sure?
No, that's
No?
a personal thing.
And then you bought this thing to sit it down, right? On the grass,
I always have a mat in my car, in my boat.
Yeah.
Because sometimes we have a beautiful place like this one to sit down and relax.
Yeah.
So a mat is always in my car.
Very important to sit down, just because the grass. Some of the grass is a bit dirty from the poo of the bird, right? The wet. Yeah, it could be wet. Correct.
Also, there are ants. Everywhere,
yeah.
Little bats.
Yeah.
So,
but this area is pretty clean.
no, it is.
Yeah, and it's pretty handy to sit down in the grass. Oh well, see, you're very well prepared.
Let's put it back everything.
Let's put back everything. Thank you for showing to me, and then the audience gonna be lovely to see what's inside your bag.
Oh my god. Normally it's a secret spot for a game.
Oh, come on. A beach bag, yeah, we call that the beach bag. Is it your favorite beach for you in Australia, in Sydney? Is it a...
There are plenty beaches around here, so that's one of the beautiful ones.
Yeah.
We have a cafe just from the beach, which is lovely to have some dinner, any kind of meal in there.
Yeah.
It's not too many people.
Many people?
Yeah, it's not too many, and as you can see, you can jump into the water in the beach, or also you have an option to go to the swimming pool. It's a natural swimming pool here, so everything in one spot: cafe, beach, green area, car park.
Car park.
Free car park.
Free car park. That's amazing. That's really good. Yeah, that's really good for us. Rather than we have to pay, yeah.
Exactly.
Because I'm pretty sure people who enjoy the view is gonna be take a and spend an hour, more than 2 hours, I guess. It depends.
Yeah, sometimes you need time to enjoy the beach,
enjoy the
outdoors, and it's annoying thinking about the car park. The time is ending, so it's not ending, so good.
What did you had on the brunch or breakfast just now?
Oh, what we got? I got some poached eggs.
Poached eggs.
Bacon. Spinach.
Yes.
And we got English muffin.
English muffin.
I prefer English muffins sometimes because they are soft.
Yeah.
So yes, I really enjoyed. And I got my mocha cafe.
You still have
and I
it?
still have it.
How is it? It's good?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Cheers. All right, thank you so much, Miriam. So lovely to see you in the beach and share with us what's inside your bag. So we know already that you're very well prepared as a person, and you are definitely beach girl, right?
My basic thing for the beach.
Basic thing for the beach. So guys, this is it. Miriam's bag, beach bag. So thank you so much for watching, and probably we just wanna having some walk afterwards, and yeah, you wanna say goodbye?
Bye guys.
Bye.
Enjoy outdoors.
Okay, I'm gonna end off this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye.